hello my lovelies. Right, not sure who's here yet, but we will just get you up on the laptop to see who is around, because I'm not really expecting you all to be here. So I've had my delivery. UPS had a bit of an issue at one point, but it's here and it arrived before Christmas. Yay! So I'm just going to show you what I got. So I have a few things from the main catalogue, and I do have a few new items and a couple of celebration items as well. So I bought my grid paper. Oh, I love the fact I've got one of these again. I should have just gone straight for the proper one, but there we go. Hi Mindy, have you just come from Ruth's? Because I've only just realised she's actually on. Let me just take those. I've been tidying up all day, and anyone with kids will know that you just find random hair bubbles everywhere. So I've bought a new Wink Stella because you can't not have Wink Stella in your stash. And then I think this is in the main catalogue, but it's the checks and dots embossing folder because I love the dots. They're not very big, so I'm going to have a play with them and see what I can do with them. It'll probably make some nice sort of like a top half of a card spotty or something, but I mean, yeah, this is so cool. Hang on, let's have a look. If we put that in there just so you can see it. But yeah, so, and then maybe a bit of shading on that would look cool. And then the spotty one, oh, I've frozen Esther and Ruth. Yeah, I did actually watch Esther as well, but I was I didn't comment much on either of her videos because I was busy cleaning, because we're trying to get the kids' rooms ready for obviously when Santa comes. Oh, it's me buffering, Mindy, sorry. I think it's because I've come on when the kids are on their tablets and things as well, and my husband's probably watching YouTube or something. Right, so that's those. Then I've ordered the palette knives, embossing paste, the glittery one, and where have they gone? Oh, do you know? Oh, there they are. I've ordered these, the butterflies and flowers layering decorative masks, and I don't know why I didn't look at them properly, but there's like, let me find a piece of something. Will the vellum do? Yeah, vellum will do. You can see it then. So there's 2 layers to them, so I love that. And then this is the same. You've got 2 different layers to the flower, and I think that flower goes on there. No, maybe not. Anyway. Oh, it's for that one, is it? Maybe? Yeah, so that one you'd layer on top of that one. So I can't wait to have a play with these. And look at that one. Oh, missed a bit. There we go. But that one. And I don't have any masks, which is really bizarre considering I've been doing Stampin' Up for over a year. Hi Linda, hi Kathy. Well, gotta keep busy, you know. I've been cleaning all day, so I was like, my delivery's come, yay, let's do a video. I can sit still for 5 minutes and then I'll go and do tea. I quite like this one. That's pretty. Look at that. So yeah, so look out for that. So I'm going to be embossing, woo, embossing paste and all that jazz. I also haven't had any of this before, but you know, I kept looking at it every time I did my orders, and it's the shimmery crystal effects. So I want to have a little play with that as well. I really like glitter, but I don't always want to be sticking gems all over everything. So then, who'd have guessed I've got hedgehogs? Yeah, I have got a coffee here actually, Linda. I'll sip with you. Very nice. So these are so sweet. I love the faces on these hedgehogs. They're so cute. And the sentiments are quite nice. It's so nice of you to be so nice. Ooh. Ooh. I don't know if we're... Yeah. See, now I'm going back to my school days where they said you shouldn't put nice twice in the same sentence. And finding a friend is the best discovery of all. It's so cute. And a little toadstool and a birdie with a flower. So yeah, this is going to be cool. I love it. I love it. I probably could do a one-sheet wonder with those hedgehogs. And then we've got the punch, and I've even, because, you know, sometimes I'm organised, sometimes I'm not. But I have actually grabbed a piece of scrap early espresso and a piece of scrap crumb cake. So I'm just going to do them both. Oh. In that one. And I love how, because I have struggled, or I do struggle with punches, but the Stampin' Up ones, they're so well made. They're much easier to use. Oh, I mean, look at that. You could use that as just a silhouette as it is, couldn't you? But then, although it's probably... Oh, look, I had one job, girls. One job. All I had to do was cut it in the right place. Oh, no, it's supposed to be like that. Is it supposed to be... Oh, it's his ear. Look. It gives you the little... I thought I cut it wrong then. But no, it gives him the shape of his ear. Oh, that's too cute. I think the other way around is going to be better, though. This way. So the darker... Oh, look at that. And it does also, if you can see, there's a little speck on my desk. It also cuts out a little tiny eye. So you could put that on there. Oh! That's gone now. Hang on. I literally just... Oh, these nails. I'm just not used to having nails on anymore. That's it, it's gone. Hang on. Good old pick tool. Right, there's the... Let's put it back on there. There we go. Look at that. It is so... Oh, Claire, you haven't missed much. Only some embossing folders and some embossing paste. That's all right. Shocking, more critters. Yes, Mindy, love critters. I've got to have animals on everything, haven't I? You know, that's the way it is. So, the only thing I've shown Claire is the masks, because I've got the new masks. I have also... Now, I did watch Esther and how she got in hers. And do you know what? I'm still rubbish at it, guys. Last time, I actually ended up making... ruining the first piece of my... Ha-ha! We're in. Ooh, I really like that. This is Evening Evergreen window pane ribbon. But it's so soft. There we go. We're going to go for a bow on a live. Woohoo! Oh, if we can actually do this. Oh. There we go. Look at that. I like that. It's cool. So that's that. Then we have the faux sea glass shapes. These are smaller than I expected, but you wouldn't really want them much bigger than that, would you? Surely. But I love the colours of them. I know, Mindy. It's terrible behaviour. Oh, I've knocked one off. No, go back. Oh, seriously. Hang on. I'm trying to put it back so that it stays. There we go. There we go. So Get quite a lot of them as well, and they're all different, all of the different shapes. Very nice. Can't wait to use that one. Oh, there's the pale eye there as well. Let's just move that over there to buy the hedgehog. Then we have, I mean, this is totally me as well. Rainbows, Rainbow of Happiness. I mean, I really like this as rain. I quite like that. And I do love rainbows. There's raindrops there as well, look. Oh yeah. Oh, little love hearts. And little tiny writing, little sentiments, you know, you can sneak it in on a card. A little something to brighten your day. Oh, I like that. You make this world a better place. Sending you a rainbow of happiness. You make me happy. Oh, I like that. Let's have a look at the dies. Okay. Morning, Cindy. Hi, Delinda. If I can get it out of the packet, I'll show you. That's it. Nails are going to have to go. Oh dear. I've twanged two. I was cleaning. And I mean, cleaning's dangerous, I've decided, because I lost 2 nails whilst cleaning. Okay. So we have all of these. Oh, I like this as a tag. Oh, love that. And there's little tiny clouds. So in the give it a whirl dies, there's a few clouds, but not this little. So like those. And then this one cuts out. So in the celebration, so when you order, the rainbows is £45. Is it 4? Yeah, 45. Oh my goodness, brains. Not got much today. So you get 4 pieces. I love that one, of each print. So this is the one side. So that one reminds me of ice creams on that one. Little stripy bit, some spotties, some more stripes, mini rainbows, stripes. This one, is it that one? Yeah, so this die will cut out that rainbow. So love that idea. So that's that one. And let's just... And then we've got this one. This reminds me of a print that Aaliyah's got on one of her coats. Because obviously Aaliyah would have rainbows, wouldn't she, on her coats? And then the other side is... Oh, they're little tiny... Can you see? They're little tiny sunshines in pumpkin pie. And they've got little tiny clouds. I'm sorry, my eyes don't even work. Oh, they're like little arrows. And then some spots. And some little... Oh, do you remember that writing you used to do when you were little? When you couldn't... Yeah, I didn't get the cloud punch. Yeah, I might get... I do fancy the cloud punch, but... My issue is I have a lot of cloud dies now, so I don't know if I need the punch, but you never know. Remember the writing you used to do when you were little, when you couldn't write a sentence, you used to just get a pen and do wiggles all along the page? That's what that reminds me of. Oh, look at that. That'd be nice as wallpaper. So like I said, you get 4 sheets, so it's like the equivalent of 1 12 by 12 of each print, and it's free when you spend all this little hearts. Mini rainbows. That looks a bit like rain. Oh, look at that one. Proper 60s. Love that. So, yeah, so that's the free paper with that. Oh, God, just get rubbish everywhere. Right, let's pop these out of the way. I like this for a border as well. Maybe I'll have to cut something out of that in a minute. So then... we have Friends of the Forest, because obviously I need more critters. I love the tree. I think the tree's gorgeous for a little bit of colouring. And then there's little toadstools and a little flower. So this one with the hedgehogs as well is going to be so much fun. Now, I haven't got the deer punch. I'll probably borrow it off Ruth, but I may actually buy the punch now because the deer is staying. And then because, you know, I had to. Because I always say that my husband is a Viking because he's got a ginger beard. So, yeah, so I've got, I gave in and I got the Vikings. I've taken a Viking to you. Happy birthday, you've conquered another year. You're strong and brave, you've got this. So, I really like them. And I do a lot of kids' cards, so it's all good. And then I've got 2 more Celebration items. I didn't get an immense order. I just got what I really, really liked. I did want the Mouse Hostess, the Hostess set, but it was out of stock, so I couldn't have the mice. But I think I've got enough critters to be going on with, I think. And yes, she will borrow my critters. You're right, Linda. I know, I just, yeah, I try, I would love to be able to afford to buy it all, but, you know, I just can't. So, you know, we just go with what we can afford. So these are gorgeous, and I've seen some, a couple of cards with these, which were beautiful, and then some little ideas have been popping in my head. So I can't wait to get playing with them. And then last but not least is the Marvellous Celebration paper. And I mean, look at these. They're just, oh, look at that one. Love that. Gorgeous grape. Yeah. And there's some good, you know, they're good for masculine cards as well, because I struggle, because I buy so many, not so much masculine colours. Whoa! Look at that. That looks like satin. You know, wrinkled up satin or silk. No, satin, definitely. Oh, that's gorgeous. Be nice on the back of a wedding card. Oh, yes. Can you imagine otters coming out of this? Woohoo! Yeah. I can see me using these a lot. So there we go, guys. It was just a quick one. Oh, my hedgehogs fell apart. Poor hedgehog. I mean, you know, to give it a whirl, guys, a hedgehog would look good going round on that, if I'm honest. All the rainbows. Yeah. So there we go. I got a bit of a stash. I'm really looking forward to using these. I know they take a while to dry, somebody said. So we'll have a go with that. And also the shimmer embossing paste, because I love oh, what do they call it, mixed media. So I really like making things that are like quite vintagey, and they have different textures on them, like bumpy pieces. So there we go then, guys. That is my lovely little stash, my little unboxing. Oh, I do like that ribbon. I need more ribbon. Definitely need more ribbon. Lots more ribbon. Oh, and my embossing folders. So there we go. So if I have time, maybe tomorrow night, what day is it tomorrow? Wednesday. I will maybe do a video on something out of this bundle, out of this pile. Maybe a bit of shimmer paste, because the lovely Louise sent me gave me a Christmas card with the shimmer paste on it, and I was so glad that I ordered the shimmery one, because when you look at it on camera, it doesn't look as shimmery as when you see it in the flesh. It is beautiful. So yeah, exciting. Oh, and mustn't forget the dimensionals, obviously, because I use so many of them. There we go. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye bye.